Determine the equation of the tangent line that meets the circle x squared plus y squared minus 26x minus 2y plus 45 equals to 0 at the point 2, 3. Let us begin. So here we have a circle and the circle is centered at the point C. Then we have a point of contact. This is the point of contact is defined as the point A where the line meets the circle. That means this is the tangent line and our goal will be to determine the equation of this tangent line. The point coordinates of the point of contact is given as 2, 3. Let us begin. Now, in order to find out the equation of the tangent line, we are going to use the point form of a tangent line. The point form of a tangent line is given by the equation x times x1 plus y times y1 plus g multiplied to x plus x1 plus f multiplied to y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. So that means using the given information, we'll have to find out the value of the constant g, f and c as well as x1 and y1. So let's go step by step. Now here x1 comma y1, that's nothing but the coordinates of the point of contact. Now since it's already given to us as 2, 3, so that immediately tells us that the value of x1 is going to be equals to 2 and the value of y1 will be equals to 3. Okay, our next task will be to find out the value of the constants g, f and c. We can obtain the value of the constant g, f and c from the equation of the circle. So let's use the circle's equation. We have x squared plus y squared minus 26x minus 2y plus 45 equals to 0. What we'll do here, we were going to compare this particular equation with the general equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. So this is going to give us the value of the constant g, f and c. So here we have 2g equals to negative 26, which means that the value of g will be negative 13. Then we have 2 times f equals to negative 2, which means that the value of f will be negative 1. And we have c equals to 45. So we have all the required values, g, f and c, as well as x1, y1. So we'll come back to the point form. So now we will have x times x1. So x1 will be 2 plus y times y1. y1 is 3. And then we have g plus g. So that means we'll have plus g having a value of negative 13. This will be multiplied to x plus x1. So x1 is 2. Then we have f value is negative 1. This will be multiplied to y plus y1. So y1 is 3. And then we have plus c. So c is 45 equals to 0. Further simplification could give us 2x plus 3y minus 13x minus 26 minus y minus 3 plus 45 equals to 0. So 2x minus 13x, that's negative 11x. 3y and minus y will be plus 2y. Then we have negative 26 minus 3, that's negative 29. Added to 45, so that will sum up to plus 16. This is equals to 0. Now what we'll do to further simplify, we're going to multiply throughout with negative 1 to get 11x minus 2y. Minus 16 equals to 0, and this is the equation of the required equation of the tangent line, which is tangent to the circle at the point 2, 3.